Today, we are going to learn some more slang words in American English. The first one is the phrase pissed off. This phrase is used when you want to express that you are angry. For example, if I meet someone who constantly tells me I'm bad at driving, it will piss me off. Another example is, my friend pissed me off today because he took my lunch. The second phrase that is commonly used in American slang is hang out. When we say hang out, it means to meet with friends to do something relaxing. So I can say to a few of my friends over the phone, hey, do you guys want to hang out at the mall at around 6? The last phrase we are going to look at today is the phrase check out. This phrase is used to tell someone to look at something. For example, if I see a cool car while walking with a friend, I can say, hey, check out that cool car. Another example is if I ask a question like, did you check out the new Harry Potter movie? That's all for today, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media. Bye.